What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're going to be working on the Integra Type S and we're going to be installing a front lip by Extreme Online Store. This is their new carbon fiber front lip. You can see right here. It does come with 3 pieces, so the shipping is not too much, and I guess it's easier for packaging, and if something happens, if you crap one, you can maybe potentially just replace a piece or something like that. So it is segmented like that. It does come with mounting hardware, and this design is like a splitter. You can see how it cuts through carbon fiber, beautiful, without increasing too much of the ride height. So let me just kind of show that right now. So you can see right here, it would be kind of like this. And you can kind of see it does make the car a little bit lower, but not that much. It doesn't overhang that low. And you'll be able to kind of have that smoother, more aggressive look. Now, the one thing I didn't like about the stock body is you can kind of see the nose and you can kind of see the chin right there. And I feel like the nose is so prominent that it looks more masculine if the car had some kind of chin, like a beard or something like that. I know that's a little bit weird, but it feels like it needs some kind of thing on the bottom. I mean, all race cars have it. All supercars have it pretty much. That more aggressive lower end. You kind of get that look. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. So I feel like a front lip is actually really needed in this car. It's just missing something. The rear is perfect in my opinion. You know, it has like this integrated diffuser. Beautiful, looks great. The front, it's missing that oomph. So having a front lip from EOS, it's kind of really clean it up. So install's gonna be pretty easy. It's just gonna be some 3M tape that they do provide. Or it's just double-sided tape. I'll show you guys the hardware bag. And it does have some alcohol towel wipes to make it as tacky as possible. And you don't have to remove the front bumper, so that's always nice. But yeah, let me just install it real quick, and I can probably even just install it without even lifting the car, because I have a 9-degree kind of press. Make sure I'm wiping this good, because of course you have to wipe the bumper too. Alright, so this was just 3M double-sided tape. Haven't screwed it on. Looks pretty good. And here it is, all done. Now I want to take it outside so you can actually really see it. Can't really see it too well in the garage, so let me pull it out. Here it is, the front lip from the side. See how well it flows, side profile shot. I do say it does look stunning. Really fills in all the spots that I want it to fill. It's not as aggressive as other front lips on the market. There is no winglet. So if you don't like the little winglet, if you don't know what a winglet is, it's where the, let's see if you can even see my finger. Where you see this area, there's usually a little swoop that goes up. Kind of like that part right there, little swoop. Some people prefer without it. This one does not have it. So it's a good look. It's just a cleaner, simpler design. It's going for more of that splitter look, but it does have that details where it's not just a piece of flat, you know, some cars just have a flat piece of plastic. This one does have some angles, but keeping it minimal. As you can see, it does play off the lines of the front bumper, and no longer the nose right there is protruding as far as the bottom, which gives it that kind of double chin look, if you know what I'm talking about. Now, because it's just not like this. I don't know if you could even see what I just did, but you got that kind of, the part that sticks out the furthest is actually the chin now, so it doesn't look like it's so derp. And the front lip just kind of complements it. It's not offensive, it's nothing crazy. You can kind of see the side skirt right there and how it just kind of goes straight through. The side skirt is this one's the APR one, but that one is a little bit more aggressive and more offensive. Some people might not like it because it's too aggressive, but what EOS has done here has kept it pretty basic. Kept it clean. So, yeah, good stuff.